before this video begin, I just want to give like a quick disclaimer because this following video will contain like jump scares, loud volume, and flashes. So, and just like basically general spooky stuff. So if you can't handle blood and all these things, then I suggest you watch another video. Enjoy the video.
Why are you staring at me?
Because I can.
Oh, so
we're
a criminal.
Bob.
How nice. That's like my favorite activity, to be
I'm gonna.
honest. Person is so weird. Why do they have these weird dolls in their house? Such a weird. No offense to anyone who has weird dolls in their house, although you may be a bit psychotic. Answer the phone! Hi, lady. Is there a dead corpse in their freezer? I'm walking around. This is just the beginning room. I swear that wasn't always there. It's not always there. Oh, that one in the red dress is gone. Room key. That's so specific. Thank you. Now I know exactly. Ooh, money. Can they stop throwing these annoying dolls at me? Oh, no.
Girl, look.
I'm stylish.
What are they staring at?
I tried to pay, he begged me to stay. Hey, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna romp. Big to the bus, they talk.
Do you need help?
Help.
Oh, the laughing. I saw a person. I'm gonna go back there and see. Hello? This is obviously America. What are they listening for, huh? You were busy talking to someone in the kitchen, bro. See him, I'm closing my eyes. And I see him, my eyes are closed. It says, even though you didn't get rich, bro, did you die?
No, I'm alive. Yes, I'm alive.
You unalived.
No. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe. And my Discord server will be out soon though. So stay tuned if you want to join my Discord server and for more videos like this. I hope you enjoyed. See you all next one. Bye!